Hi, Coach Sarah here. We're going to continue our talk about the immune system. We're going to talk today about vitamin D. Most people know that vitamin D is good for bone health. You need it to take the calcium into your bones. But vitamin D also has a very important role in our immune response. If you don't have enough vitamin D, if you're vitamin D deficient, then your immune system is also going to be lowered. So we're going to talk about some ways that we can get vitamin D. We can get vitamin D. Our skin can synthesize it from the sun, or we can get it in the foods that we eat. There's not a lot of foods that are very high in vitamin D naturally. That's why milk is fortified with vitamin D. So they have added vitamin D to milk to help with the uptake of calcium from milk. Okay, so you can get it from fortified foods. You can get it from a supplement, whether it's your multivitamin or an actual vitamin D supplement. This is the one that I sometimes use. And then you can also get it from an interesting source. You can get it from mushrooms. The same way that our skin can synthesize vitamin D from the sun, mushrooms, being a fungus, can also synthesize vitamin D from the sun, or if they are exposed to like UV lamps when they're grown. So these ones, if you look on it, it actually they'll usually say on here, so you can say that these ones are a natural source of vitamin D. Some mushrooms, if they're grown in a process that doesn't have the UV lamps, or they're not grown outside, then they may not have vitamin D. So usually look for it to say that it has vitamin D in it. So mushrooms is one of the good food sources that we can use to get vitamin D. So on days like today when the sun's shining, you can get out, you can get your vitamin D from the sun. Over the weekend we didn't have much sun. But I want y'all to really make sure that you are taking some time for you as an adult and your kids every day to go out, get some sunlight. Of course, I want to be careful of skin cancer and all of that, but get a little bit of direct sunlight every day for vitamin D, or supplement your vitamin D. Try to find good food sources for it, or drink things like fortified milk to get vitamin D. Most Americans don't consume enough vitamin D, which means our immune system is not as good as it could be. It's going to be especially tempting right now. I mean, we're stuck inside so much of the time. We're probably not going outside as much as we normally would, just because we're not going from place to place. So take some time every day to get outside. It's going to be good for your sanity as well. Okay, stay healthy and keep avoiding that sugar, because remember, sugar wreaks havoc on your immune system. So increase your vitamin D, decrease sugar. Okay, good luck, guys.